TLO, what's poppin'? We are on Twitch. We're not live, but you can leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification bells. Let's continue to grow the family from Chicago to the UK. Right behind me, you see it. Warning screen. You never know, man. It's 2025. My collar is loose. It might get wicked in here. Twitch.com is where you can't catch a live stream. Usernames at the bottom of the screen. And we also got Patreon Monday through Sunday. Premier League highlights, UK TV shows, UK movies. Quintessentially British memes, 9. Talk to me.
Copyright disclaimer. Under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976, allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Non-profit, educational or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use. No copyright infringement intended. All rights belong to their respective owners.
8 minutes on the dot, ain't it? Why does the driver have Manchester?
This roundabout. Second exit off here coming up. And then turn left.
Still need a bit of curb crawling.
You can switch it. Was that the GPS or what?
Excuse me. Are you working? Yeah. How much is it for a...
American cop would have shot you. 100%. There was no sense of humor.
Uh-oh, she's got scared or not?
I don't think that's funny. My whole engine just fell out. Whose car is that? Do it even work anymore?
That's the one. Oh my God! Oh!
10 out of 10. Easily. I could do that though, so I'm impressed because like you gotta be at least my caliber to do that.
Oh, how'd you pronounce your name?
Ishak.
Ashag.
Yeah.
Great name, bro. That is a sick name, bro. Legendary name.
Really?
What? Legendary.
Well, I wasn't know about that.
Bro.
It's cocaine. Bro got awkward. No. Bro got coked out. He was biting down too heavily. He had to get up out of there. Things didn't go his way or anything. Just down bad. Horrendous.
3 Jaeger bombs. Cheers. Hello, mate. Can I get 4 lagers, please? And a Jaeger bomb. And 3 Jaeger bombs. Cheers.
Nah, that's crazy. I ain't gonna lie, bro.
I look nice.
Bro, this is in London, bro. When you don't pay no bills, bro. You come to the same.
The audacity is crazy. First of all, y'all trains got plugs in them, plug outlets. Shorty trying to be a bad bee, straightening her hair on a train you're moving. They're talking about I look good. No, because we looking at the whole picture. You're down bad. City Girls down 100 points, 1,000 actually. Look at Auntie.
Oh, hello, Dad. Oh, fuck me. Fucking hell. No way. Hey, you get fucking changed. Get changed.
For some reason, I thought I was going to see didn't think I was going to see the father of an older gentleman. I thought I was going to see a 17-year-old or something, huh?
Don't be a cunt. Oh my God.
Does he got on boots and shorts with a sweater?
It's awesome though.
Bro, that's a boy and a girl, but the boy, they've done it reverse. The boy is on the girl's lap. Oh my God. Where'd they go for it? Bro, he's on the girl's lap.
bro is out here living a real life. Like, I've seen this like as a skit. Oh, men really be wanting. Bro, he's in public.
Bro, what? Is it just me that every time you go into Costco, you always come out with a big stinker of a pizza like that? All to myself as well.
Why are you spending your money on that?
Why have I spent my money on this? Look at you. Well.
Why are you spending your money on that?
Why have I spent my money on this? Look at you.
This a filter. This not a filter? Why would she do this?
You?
You're a grown man. What, you thought you was in a Scooby-Doo episode? Why are you scared of a goose? Bro hopped out, said woo, and he jumped.
It's a Burger King, so I'd really like.
What's your favourite thing about Swindon?
The more I watch the funny... Okay, let's watch it a couple times.
It's a Burger King, so I'd really like.
Okay.
It's a Burger King, so I'd really like. It's a Burger King, so I'd really like.
Wait, when she slid out the chair, her legs was wide open. She was bust down, walk down and get your legal. What? Go back.
It's a Burger King, so I'd really like.
Girl, whole Shanu is out. Her whole meow. Look at the. What is it, embarrassing? Look at her.
What's your favourite thing about Swindon?
It's horrible, isn't it? Oh, quite depressing. Just look around. Oh, it's just depressed. Everyone's just down and fed up. Biggest seller around here now is rope.
It's like a sex thing.
No, it's a thing.
Hang in there, man.
Well, don't say that.
I don't even think that's funny. You fucking stupid. That bag of shit. Fuck off now.
Shite for a shite.
Why are you walking like that?
Shite for a shite.
Why would he do that?
Yeah, play bank.
This a good view though. Wherever they at, they pay a grip for rent.
Yeah, play bank.
This is Kimberly's mum. She will not have her phone any longer. She's just been caught smoking. So see all the pals that are on this that are halfing in for the fads? All your ma's are going to find out because I'm going to tell them.
No. That's unfortunate for Kimberly and all her friends.
Got it. Alright, mate. Good luck, mate. When's your birthday? 25th of December, 0.
The bloodshot in your eyes.
Oh, come on. You're my 14 boys.
I wonder what's going to happen.
What would happen if we covered a car in harmonicas?
The idea didn't really develop much from there.
Are they going to stay stuck on when we're driving around?
Because you don't want them flying off, clearly.
No, I hope so. So let's drive. What is this?
With 330 harmonicas hitching a ride,
330
took it for a spin. So we're going about 100, and it's quite loud. It's a bit like having an angel in the car.
Bro. Where do you even buy a harmonica at? Like, I'm being serious. I've never in my real life have went to a store and seen a harmonica in it. They've always been given to me by a music teacher in class. Like, I don't think you can buy harmonicas. They get hand-built in schools.
Quick, turn the light on. Quick.
This is above and beyond. This is really above and beyond. These are great. This is you know how they say, it takes a village. This W grandma. I know her hip hurt. She look young though.
The wee fucker. Get him off quick. Get him off. Get him off quick.
Oh my God. Fucking hell.
Hey. Who's Patty McGinnis? Like the drink?
Oh, you gotta get involved with it.
You got one job, cameraman. Point the camera at the car.
Get on, Paddy!
Go on, Paddy!
Hey, that wall's not going to build itself.
Hey Siri. Who is Patty McGinnis?
Patrick Joseph Paddy McGuinness is an English comedian, actor, writer, and television and radio presenter.
Oh, got an escort? No, huh? He got motion.
Get cracked on. Go on then, you stupid fucking idiot.
Now he's going to stop like you did. There, he's going to show you what you did. All right, Paul, please. Oh, Paul.
Oh, Paul.
I say now we're going to have road rage. Oh, Paul, careful, don't open because of knife.
Well, what were you beeping at me for? Nothing but a coward. Oh, go away.
Just ignore
Bro rode a short bus. What is he saying?
He might have a bloody knife. Bloody coward.
He jumped out. Black van, no neck. You gotta watch out for people with no neck. They ain't got nothing to lose.
Making my English boyfriend a cup of tea the American way.
You a lie. You're a liar. She's lying. She's a lie. No, guys. Let me see her finger color. No, we don't. We don't do that. She's lying. She's not telling the truth to y'all. This is really concerning. This is literally what it looks like. It's not the truth. What kind of milk is that? Semi-skim British milk. They're lying. Oh, this is an American in Britain.
Cup of British tea.
It looks like hot chocolate.
Thank you. Always hot. I can't lose. I presume that he won. No, headbutt Andy got the draw. Headbutt Andy. What a great name. No. What is that?
What is that?
Shite. It's shite, and I'm glad. This is not an appropriate representation of us.
That is disgusting. Sorry, no, I don't mean to be rude. I feel like I'm being really rude, but that is not a cup of tea.
You put it in the microwave?
Oh, you having a laugh?
Cause this is blue. He broke it. Cause when I saw you on my Betty, I agree though. And that's not a representation of us. I'm really appalled by that, and that is not the standard of tea that the Americans are putting out, especially one of my caliber of British knowledge. And I want to apologize on behalf of everybody else in America that's making tea the right way.